Hello, everybody. My name is Laurent. I am from France, and I'm very happy to present you today AI meeting, not agents. So, why I built this project? Because we all attend meetings, but let's be honest, taking notes and tracking action items is boring, repetitive, and time consuming. So, I built a smart agent that does all of this automatically. Here's how it works. You provide a meeting transcript from Zoom, from Google Meet, or any other tool. The agent sends it to Amazon Bedrock using a powerful foundation model. The AI detects the language, either French or English, and responds in the same language. It generates a clear professional summary and extracts all action items, especially those tied to names and roles. Next, the output is cleaned and sent by email using Amazon SES. There is also an optional feature to export as a PDF, the summary as a PDF, or push it directly to a CRM. On the technical side, this is 100% serverless and lightweight. It runs on AWS Lambda for backend execution. It uses Amazon Bedrock for AI processing and SES for email delivery. Thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you appreciate the project.